In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from PC to PC via an Ethernet cable. This is a simple and fast way to share files directly between two computers without needing a Wi-Fi router or an internet connection. To begin, take an Ethernet or LAN cable and plug one end into the first computer and the other end into the second computer. Once the cable is connected, the next step is to establish a proper network connection so both PCs can communicate with each other. To set up a network connection, both computers need to be on the same network. The most reliable way to do this is by assigning static IP addresses of the same class. Start by opening the network connection page on the first computer, then right-click on the Ethernet adapter and select Properties. From the list, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties again. Here, enter a unique IP address for the first computer, for example, 192.168.1.1, along with the correct subnet mask. Now, on the second computer, repeat the same steps and assign a different IP address, like 192.168.1.2, while keeping the same subnet mask. By doing this, the first computer acts as the default gateway for the second computer, and the second computer acts as the default gateway for the first computer. This ensures a stable connection between the two PCs over the Ethernet cable. Once the network is configured, the next important step is to enable network sharing on both computers so they can access each other's files. Open the Windows search bar and type in Advanced Sharing Settings. You will see three sections: Private, Public, and All Networks. Make sure to turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing for both the private and public networks. In the All Networks section, enable Public Folder Sharing so that files can be accessed over the LAN cable. You can also turn off password-protected sharing to allow easier access without needing credentials. Repeat these steps on the second computer to ensure both PCs are ready for file transfer. Now that network sharing is enabled, we can share files between the two computers. Start by creating a folder for all the files you want to transfer. Right-click the folder, go to Give Access To, and select Specific People. In the sharing window, choose Everyone from the drop-down menu. Click Add, and grant both read and write permissions. Finally, click the Share button. Your folder is now shared over the network. Make sure to note down the network location of the shared folder, as you will need it on the other computer. On the second computer, open File Explorer and enter the network location of the shared folder. This will open the folder, allowing you to copy the files and paste them onto your local hard drive. The shared computer will also appear under the network panel, where you can see all shared folders. This is especially useful if you are sharing multiple folders at the same time. If you want to stop sharing a folder at any point, simply right-click on it, select Give Access To, choose Remove Access, and then click Stop Sharing. Keep in mind that this method works only between Windows computers. If you are using Mac or Linux, you will need a different file sharing approach.